this is a game called Webbing Jurne. And I love it so much. What the frick am I doing right now? Is it something? No, you're right. My spider. He has a top hat and a mustache. You see it? You're right there. We can do this.
Look up!
Love you. And look how he can dance too. Boom, 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 boom. Like him, guys? Well, he's my look at this. You like him? Watch this. Where's the sleep? Look at this. He's gonna sleep and look at the animation. He's gonna drink coffee now. Wait, look.
Coffee!
Coffee, see? Like Bob, he's smart and a gentleman. Jump. Good boy. So, eat this. Coffee. Shut up, I'm making a video. I'm sorry, I'm just joking. So, please don't speak. That's my sister. Motherfucker, wait. Okay, sorry guys. Shut up. No, bro, I am actually doing a video for YouTube, so I'm famous. No, I'm not. I'm not famous. I'm not that famous. I'm a little bit of a famous. So guys, you like boob? So this is a sponsor from Webbing Jurne. Webbing Jurne? Web Journey. This is a sponsor from Web Journey. So install their game because their games are beautiful. So it's actually a 2-minute video because if I do it longer, it won't let me. Did I did a 35-minute video though? Okay, I need to go. Bye. Bye. Can you say bye? Wait. See? Bob is a nice guy.
Hi!
He says bye. Oh, he likes to say bye like hi.
Huh?
E.
Like!
Bye, guys. Something Bob wants to give to you. Bye, guys.